What's up, you guys? Stephen Jones, and we are in the same graveyard that we was in last night, still the ghost hunt. And we just found something unusual. We literally found like a hole
A nest.
and some nests with a dead bird.
And a skull.
There's this skull right but there, and there's a body. There's a massive fucking spider just ran off the back. It's fucking false widow.
Black widow.
Dennis.
One baby bird in there. But how? I don't understand how the fucking bird got in there.
Yeah, how did the bird get in there? Unless it was born in there. Unless this was gone and he nested in you. I don't think that happened. I think that actually happened or true. Oh, you're a big dude, aren't you? Actually,
It's a skull.
Get it out of here. I'm sorry, but you gotta get out.
It's gone now. It's dead, man. Wow. One baby bird's body.
One baby bird.
Right, guys. Yeah, it's his skull. Obviously got crushed, but maybe something actually ate it. Oh.
There's a beak there. I find that food now. Just how the hell did the fucking birds get in there? There's no one that left you by here as well. There.
Basically, when
And I can't reach up there to
when
get
it's
help.
dark, we'll go in there. I'll have a look again.
We'll be coming here Saturday.
Oh, Friday.
Let's come here Friday and go up to the bigger one Saturday.
Yes. I'll have a look now.
So basically we'll be coming to this graveyard Friday to do a ghost hunt. Then Saturday we'll go to another one which is way bigger and scarier and darker. So this other one will be scarier and bigger.
You can bucket stand on?
Check out. You can. Hold that. Good.
Well, he's stuck in there, is it?
Hmm?
Really stuck in there?
No.
What the fuck was that?
No.
Can you get your camera and higher up so you can have a look at the video, see what was in there, so you can put your hand up and show?
Crack the bucket. Fuck it. Don't need it.
I don't think they did, no.
Can you see what's in there?
Right, let's have a look at the video now. Let's have a look at the video. Right.
So basically I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you.
Probably more nests and shit.
Yeah, probably going to be more nests than that, so if you don't know who my friend is, Marshall Williams, and he's got a YouTube channel, so leave down in the description. So this is the end of the video now, so I'll do one tomorrow, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be doing one of my video.
Do with Cameron though.
Yeah, with Cameron, which is our other friend, so see ya.